Yo, what's up everyone? This is Silver Slayer. Welcome back for another video. Today we have an unboxing from Apmex, which I'm really excited about. I'm also going to be giving away some of the silver from this unboxing in my 15,000 subscriber giveaway that I will be doing on Sunday. And it is for sure on Sunday now. I wanted to wait, make sure this package would arrive on time. Apmex is always really reliable. I got this in like 3 days after purchasing. So super efficient. I'm really excited because I did do a random year panda in this. Little spoiler alert, there's other coins, but as you guys know, I talk a lot about the random year pandas, and I'm curious on what years I got. It's a really cool way to, try to get some earlier years, some good dates for discount. So anyways, let's open this up and see what we got. Make sure the invoice isn't showing. Okay, good. So I also did get some capsules for some of the coins I got in here. I always recommend getting coin capsules to protect your silver. Because if not, then the risk of potential harm to the coins, whether it's oil from your fingers, smudging, milk spotting, tone, any of the above, scratching, is a lot higher if you don't protect your silver in capsules. So I definitely recommend. Usually when you push purchase on Apmex, it will say add a coin capsule or gift box, and it will already automatically let you know what size capsules to get, so you don't get the wrong size, because there are different sizes for each coin that have different diameters, etc. Okay, let me take out the invoice. These are the capsules of 38 millimeters. Just gonna make sure the invoice isn't showing on camera. Okay, so we're good there. Okay, I think we're good. So make sure everything in the frame. All right, so we got the 38 millimeter holders. All right, so first coin. We have the reverse proof maple leaf phonograph privy. These are some of my favorite coins. These things are absolutely gorgeous. The frosting on these stand out like no other. Let's see if I have my scissors. So I just made a video yesterday talking about some of my favorite coins, and these are definitely some of my favorite. Look at that. The way that this frosting pops on these coins are insane. It's usually the maple leaf, it's the opposite. The normal proof, the maple leaf will have this matte finish, and the background will have the proof like mirror finish. But on these coins, it's the exact opposite, where the background's that matted finish, and it really makes the maple leaf pop out. These coins are gorgeous, so definitely excited. And I will announce which coins will be in my giveaway after as well. So we have a 2017 Panda. So this is one of the random years. So we have a 2017, which is really good. And I like these because they already come in the capsule, as you guys can see. So we have one of those. We have another 2017 Panda. Oh, wait, no. Yeah, this is. I don't even have to look at the dates anymore. I know my Panda is so good now. I can tell right away what year it is. Another 2017, so it looks like I might get all 2017s. We have another reverse proof maple leaf. And I will be putting these in the capsules. I love these things though, man. These look wicked. So here, let me make sure I'll spread all this out so you guys can see it. I'll also show more afterwards as well. Let's go like this. There we go. And we have another 2017. So I got all 2017s when I ordered the random year pandas. We have more silver, by the way, guys. So I got 3 2017s when I ordered the randomier. And now we have the beauties. Look at these, the 2019 Rwanda Year of the Pig. These are the most beautiful coins I've ever seen in my life. Look at these things, man. These are absolutely gorgeous. Now, this coin, I have the 2017 Rwanda Roosters. And if you've never seen these in person, these things look wicked. Like, I've never seen a coin look so unique. They also come in this plastic little bag type thing. I definitely would not take them out of this. Don't even put them in capsules. Just keep them in this, because this not only ensures its condition, but also if you're going to ever resell these coins in the future, your buyer or your potential buyer is going to love that these coins are, you know, in this flip type thingy. Feels really good, but I just love the matted finish on these coins. There are so many different types of designs and just textures, and it's definitely a gorgeous coin. I'm very, very happy that I got my hands on some of these. So here are the purchases of this Apmex unboxing. I'm very pleased. All the coins are in good condition. There's no scratches or anything. The pandas, the randomier pandas, are all in perfect condition. So that's just some more pandas to the collection. We got the reverse proof maple leafs, which are some of my favorites. I'm gonna put the reverse proofs with the pigs. These two sets of coins right here are just so unique. Like, it's so cool to see how beautiful a coin can be. Like, I don't even think this camera does it justice. This is the iPhone XR, so the camera is, you know, gonna be damn near the best to capture the quality, or just the actual the design, you know, how freaking fine this detail work is. Like, as you can see there, it even shows like the little dots on, like, it is gorgeous. I definitely recommend these coins for anyone who's never seen these in person. I am so excited to add not only the phonograph, because I have the rooster privy, but also these bad boys. I'm gonna start collecting these more. I definitely think every year you should pick some of these up. I think last year, what was last year? Because I know the 2017 was the rooster, 2018s were the I forget what it was, what the 2018s were. I forget. Yeah, I definitely have to look that up. But I know that these are definitely a highly sought after coin. I purchased the 2017s for around the same price, couple dollars over spot price, and this 2017s are already going for around 70 bucks. So, excuse me. So I know in a couple years, these coins will definitely be probably triple, quadruple in profit. So if you are a quick flipper, it's definitely a great coin to check out. You know, if you want to make some quick profits, quick bang for your buck. But anyway, so now we can go into which coins I'm going to be giving away. So, as you guys know, I'm doing my 15,000 subscriber giveaway. And now that we're at it, I might as well let you guys know that this... Well, actually, I don't want to spoil all of it. Actually, you know what? I'll give away 2 of the coins. So, or 2 of the 2 of these coins that are going to be in my giveaway. So, I will be giving away 1 of the 2019 reverse proof phonograph privies, and I'm also giving away 1 of these bad boys. So, if you guys are entered in my giveaway, you guys have a chance to win these coins. I'll have to separate this flip right here. It looks like it is kind of connected. I'll do it off camera. I don't want to mess it up or anything or accidentally open one of them. So yeah, so I'm really excited that you guys will have a chance to see one of these bad boys in person. Trust me, they look even... I know this looks gorgeous on camera, but they even look better in person. The backside says the bank. I can't even try to pronounce that. But, yeah, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous coin. I will also be, you know what I might do? I might send the coin, because I'm going to put my, the 38 millimeter capsules, the black gaskets are for these 2. So I might just send the coin with the capsule to the winner instead of putting him in. just so, because a lot of people might use the direct fits, like, which come with the pandas, or some people might keep them in these, the little coin flips. So the winner, I'll be sending it like this, and then I'll send this, and then I'm also giving away some more silver as well. So I'm going to do that, but I'll put mine in the capsule. I'll be making a video really soon on how to correctly fit your capsule or your coin capsules with different sizes, because this will fit in an H capsule tube. So these coin capsules have capsule tubes. It's a huge tube that fits all the capsules in as well. Almost like if you buy a tube of Eagles, but it fits the capsule since they're a little wider. And there's the H size tubes. There's different size tubes, so it can get really confusing since every coin has a little bit different of a diameter. So I will be making a video on that as well if you guys do want to properly store your coins. But anyway, so I hope you guys did enjoy this unboxing. Shout out to Apmex, a perfect unboxing. I could not be happier. So anyways, to recap, we got the 3 pandas. We got the beautiful 2019 Rwanda Year of the Pig, and we got these absolutely stunning 2019 reverse proof phonograph privies. So yeah, oh, I forgot to show the back side of these. Even the back side has the reverse proof finish on it as well. So shout out, I love these coins. They're absolutely gorgeous. But anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. This was Silver Slayer. Stay tuned for more videos pretty soon. Make sure to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it as well. All right, see you guys soon. Peace.